Welcome to Chitrayan drawing class for kids. Today I am going to show you how to draw and paint a flower easily. If you are following this tutorial, watch this video till end. You can follow my drawing step by step. Let's start. At first I draw a circle. Then I draw the horizon line and vertical line that makes a plus sign. Then I draw multiplication sign or X. Now I draw another circle in the middle of the flower. Then I draw V. Next step, we join the line together. After that, I erase the line. Then I draw a small line in each petals. Now I draw a U and two standing lines. I finish my drawing. Next step, we color the flower. At first I pick the color which I want. Pink, primary red, yellow. This color for petals, and the light green and sap green for leaf and sepal. The dark brown is for the middle portion. Okay, let's start. At first I make the border line. Now I fill the color. Pink color for 4 petals. I make the border line. Dark brown. Primary red. I make a line with primary red. Sap green. Light green for upper leaf. Deep green for lower leaf. I use deep green for lower portion of the leaf. I think I finished my work. My only advice to you, practice every day, because practice makes a man perfect. Hope you like this video. If yes, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Your support will encourage us to produce new variable instructional video. Again, thanking you very much. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.